Hey guys, I hope you had a good long spring break. We're ready to get back at things. I just wanted to take a second here to welcome you back and kind of preview how the next month is going to work or so with us. Tomorrow, we're actually going to start researching on the element that you chose before we left on spring break. If you don't have your element chosen yet, or there's some kind of thing, a problem with that, you might want to check with me to make sure we get that figured out. Time is definitely going to be a problem for the rest of the school year here. We're only working 3 days a week up until the end of April. My guess is that might be extended through May. We don't know about that yet. Some things we're going to talk about, though, in this abbreviated session is balancing chemical equations. We're going to show how the total number of atoms of each element doesn't change when it goes through a chemical reaction, and as a result, mass is always conserved in a closed system. That's called the law of conservation of mass. We'll also learn some more about some basic information provided for each element, like the atomic mass, the atomic number, the symbol, the name, and determine how it's placed on the periodic table. Once we get out of the chemistry part, we'll start talking about human consumption of finite natural resources like coal, natural gas, water, and how human activities affect those resources. Um, we'll talk about the water cycle and how water is cycled throughout the Earth's crust, the atmosphere, and the ocean, and explain how the water cycle is driven by energy from the sun. And then we'll talk about global temperatures and how they've changed over the past century, and compare and contrast some data with that. Don't hesitate, please, to email me or ask me any questions you might have. This is a learning opportunity for all of us, so we're just going to try to take this one day at a time. And if you could like the video and click subscribe, that would be great. We'll have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.